gotta pray, yeah. Feel it in the air now. Do you know what just started? I just came here to do you know what just started?
So today I am doing a moon jewelry photo shoot and I'm so excited. So my sister gave me this bomb idea of how I should take pictures for my jewelry, and I'm gonna take her advice because she's the girl she thinks she is. And nonetheless, I am looking so natural and I feel so natural and look good. I know a lot of people are saying without the hair, without the makeup, regardless of anything, I feel good, I feel amazing, you know. I don't let those things change who I am. I'm not validated by them or what people think. I'm just rooted in God. So yeah, let's get on with this, and I feel so good.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. The Word was God. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. The Word.
Hey, we said back to the top, so I know they can get it. In the beginning, it's good, it's finished. My father, you went down and made me a Christian. I'm feeling free like I broke out of prison.
This is earring A, and I am literally obsessed. Like, look at this. I love gold. One thing about a black girl wearing gold, royalty, very much classy, very much demurity. I'm so in love with this. Like, I'm literally I'm so obsessed with these earrings in general. I feel like they're very mindful, they're very cutesy, they're very demurely. I like things that shine. So if you're one of those girls that like to shine, look like royalty, and always, like, you know, look at this. Like,
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No. If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. No, if I let you, don't take me. Look at him.
POV. Alicia's scrubbing her pink lady back. Not because she feels like it, but because it's been way too long. She's tired. She's over it. Her playlist's on repeat. Every wipe comes with a sigh. Every corner cleaned. Comes with an internal monologue. This is so ghetto, but whatever. She's not trying to be perfect. She's just trying to feel good in her space. And honestly, she kinda killed it.
so guys, this hair is a blowout. I did this hair. I did not have a tutorial, but I'm so obsessed with my makeup look. It is so tea. I do not know how I look when I go in like the sun, but looks so tea. I've always been a plain girl.
It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night?
Guys, so today I am just showing you the hair.
Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high.
Very obsessed all my days, and yeah, I mean, who wouldn't be? Bundles, man, bundles. So I'm gonna show you the hair right now, and I want you guys to see what I'm talking about.
Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with?
This is HD lace for frontal babes. Oh my gosh. The lace is pretty thin, so you have to be careful. Okay, this is not HD lace, but
What?